So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Tele Business Services share, which is also called TTML. So after traveling for 4 to 5 days in lower circuit, the stock today has given a very good reversal from the low regions, and we have observed 5% positive movement, and it has closed near the 46 rupees region. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed what are the short-term supports and resistances we need to focus. And most importantly, today market was in very good positive sentiment, and many stocks have given some very good movement. So we'll try to observe in the coming sessions what are the major regions that we need to focus, and the same way what are the targets we can observe. So all these things we'll try to discuss. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any latest updates, followed by stocks for swing trading as well as short term. Okay, so today morning itself in the Telegram group have updated related to TTML that if you want to focus, then definitely you can watch it. So it was open for just a while, I think, in BSE segment. So if you're not getting chance in NSE BE, you can also try in BSE. So that already I've explained clearly in my previous videos. So after opening for a while, we have seen a very good upper circuit in the stock, and very good buying volume was also generated. So apart from that, you can see the various stocks that I keep discussing in Telegram, so they have also performed very well. So all these stocks we have discussed earlier itself. So few stocks I've discussed on Sunday, and other stocks from last week I was updating in the Telegram what are the levels and all. So do join it. So beginners, definitely you learn something new related to market. Okay, so next, moving further towards the technical charts, you can clearly see today the closing price is around 46.35, and we have seen a very good upper circuit in the stock. So 4 to 5 days of downtrend was observed in it, because already the stock has given some huge rally, but nothing to worry about that. So clearly we have discussed for people who have taken at low levels. So roughly many people have entered here as well when the circuit was open. So that time many people thought that they are in little bit of loss. So clearly told to hold it. So today, despite a few stocks which have went to lower circuit after giving upper circuit, but this particular stock, the volume was maintained steadily, and even market has also obeyed that. So coming towards what would be the next support regions that we need to focus. So 45 rupees, same, it is going to be the support region. So for this particular stock, it should cross the 50 rupees region followed by 55. So once it crosses that, definitely we can expect a very strong move in the stock. So these are going to be the near term resistances that you need to watch out. Okay, so moving a little bit down, and if you see the money flow index, so already we know that it was in overbought region. So after the 3 to 4 days of lower circuit, the money flow index has considerably dropped, and you can see it has come to 80 region. So again, now it is trying to pick the momentum. So definitely whatever the supports and resistances I'm telling, so do watch them. So once it crosses that resistive region, so then automatically the volume will be generated, and the stock price also will increase. So 50 followed by 55. So these are going to be the near term resistances. So let's try to see in 1 week chart as well. Okay, so when we go to the 1 week chart, so there you can see a 1 week of downtrend has been completed in this particular stock, and whatever the reversal we have seen, so whatever the resistance we have discussed, so crossing that only we can justify that the stock will continue the trend. But recently we have seen that the stocks which have given a reversal from lower regions, so one day they are giving upper circuit, but second day again the circuit is getting opened. So that's why I tell the second resistive region where the stock, if it crosses, so then we can expect a very strong move in the stock. Okay, so make sure you're marking those levels very clearly, and further if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can message me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.